It too darn bad they didn't have an Abrams with them, he thought wryly, because that T-62 could grind his small band of commandos into the dust.
Instructor who had shown a talent for retreat at Wilson's Creek. Curtis was a cautious, or at any rate a highly methodical person. He liked to allow for contingencies, an engineer's margin for stress and strain, and he could never feel comfortable until he knew he had done so. Back in the fall, inspecting Fremont's pinwheel dispositions, he had reported that the Pathfinder lacked the intelligence, the experience, and the sagacity necessary to his command. Placing as he did the highest value on all three of these qualities, especially the last, which he himself personified.
With you? Are you completely out of your mind?
You better just ride the mule. Get a little further on down. Come on, giddy up, Jackie. Come on, giddy up, Bessie. Come on, giddy up, Hattie.
You gonna get him?
Yes, we will.
You gonna get him? Yes! Finally, my first karma cop!
Head mounted in his den, and the reason he had them mounted there because he wanted to display, because they were trophies. It's a rare thing, something that you're proud of. You can talk about it, you can brag about it, you can display it, you can show it off. Trophy. To get a trophy, you have to outsmart the animal or the species that you're seeking after. Got to outsmart him. There ain't no dumb bunny. A trophy, you get a trophy. He's not a dumb thing, just goes out there. Black bass, a big trophy, black bass, not dumb. He's not going to go out there and open his mouth trying to find somebody to hook him. He's smart. Yeah, he's plenty smart. And that old big buck, whether it be whatever species it might be, you're going to have to be smart to catch it. So a trophy my God.
A dumb guy.
Coming home from the hardware store, getting ready to turn down my street. This jackass pulls right out in front of me. This is how people on motorcycles get killed. Lost about 4 friends last year, 2 of them pretty badly banged up. Some idiot lives down my street in a Subaru. He's always blowing up and down the street. He's going to pull in front of the wrong person one of these days. Serves him right. Stepfather pulling out of the driveway on a residential street. Some idiot in a CJ7 comes flying down the road. Must have been doing 50. Guess he flunked driver's ed. Residential areas are 25 miles an hour. Don't understand what's wrong with people these days. They think they all have the right of way and they don't. Like Ron White says, you can't fix stupid.
Convince people to buy tickets and come watch this product. I mean, I understand, you know, if you love baseball, that's one thing, but if you're a, you know, a long-time fan of this team, I mean, you know, who are the guys on this team that are going to get you excited, to get you out of the house and to you got to go through the...
Ready to bring it. Pitch on the way. Got it. Swinging strike. The Mets again.
Kidding me?
Winning 4-2.
Make it good now. Send it to us. Y2Country at SiriusXM.com.
Really good command. He's really locked in right now.
Garcia, who's pitched in big moments in the postseason.
Whoa!
Swinging and miss. Boy, he turned way out in front of that break.
Can't run to drive, you sucker.
Leveled here in Georgia, the former president not among the defendants, but Rudy Giuliani and former Chief of Staff Mark Meadows are indicted.
Former President Trump's hush money trial resumes today in New York City.
David Pecker, the former publisher of the National Enquirer, will probably be cross-examined by Donald Trump's lawyers today. It should be interesting. Pecker was once a Trump friend. Trump is unlikely to throw him a friendly glance now.
Pecker testified that he helped bury stories that would be damaging to the Trump campaign. Legal analyst Thane Rosenbaum there says the defense will likely try to show that he dealt with Trump's former fixer Michael Cohen and not with Trump himself.
Arizona's State House approves a repeal of the state's near-total abortion ban, which dates back to the Civil War. Reporter Shauna Mizell says the pressure had been mounting on state Republicans.
Lawmakers have really been working to grab those Republicans and bring them across the aisle, but they've also, Democrats have been encouraging their constituents to reach out to those Republican lawmakers who represent them.
3 Republicans joined with Democrats to pass the repeal, which heads to Arizona's state Senate next week.
The Supreme Court is expected to rule within 2 months on a case that could impact access to emergency abortion care. Legal correspondent Jan Crawford says it focuses on an Idaho law that only allows an abortion if the mother's life is at risk, but not necessarily her health.
The justices were sharply divided over Biden administration arguments that federal law, which requires hospitals to provide necessary stabilizing treatment, including abortions, overrides Idaho's near total